Morning everybody, and finally in preposition part, do not use infinitive with certain words which require a preposition followed by a gerund or by a verbal verbal noun basically derived from a verb that function purely as a noun representing an action, event or state rather than performing an action like a verb. Some of the examples: he is addicted to gambling. We can't say he is addicted to gamble. We can't use as infinitive to gamble because to plus infinitive. But here we have to use the preposition to gambling. We can't say to gamble. I assisted her in climbing the hill. Not to climb. We have to use the preposition in climbing the hill. He is averse to playing cards. Not to play card. To playing cards. Do not believe in pampering servants. Not to pamper. It's to pampering servants. I am bent on attending the meeting, and he has hardly any chance of succeeding, not to success, of succeeding. And finally, preposition are sometimes inserted where they are not required. Sometimes we use preposition where there is no necessary to use the word preposition or put the preposition over there. For example, where have you been to? Here to is unnecessarily used, as we can understand the sentence where have you been, but it's a decorum. Where have you been to? But here to is used. My son is a boy of about 16 years old. Here of is unnecessarily used. It should be my son is a boy about 16 years old, but we have to use f of. It's the rule, or it's the decorum of a sentence, English sentence. So my son is a boy of about 16 years old. After having, here after is unnecessarily used. After having finished my work